Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Step by Step English. This is day 8 of our English learning journey, and today we are going to practice 100 daily use English sentences. These sentences are very simple, very common, and super useful for daily conversations. If you want to improve your spoken English step by step, you're in the right place. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and try to use them in your daily life. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Step by Step English for daily English practice. Let's start learning. 1. Today is day 8 of my English practice. 2. I am improving every single day. 3. Practice makes a person perfect. 4. I believe in myself. 5. I speak English with confidence. 6. I am not afraid of mistakes. 7. Mistakes help me learn. 8. I try to speak clearly. 9. I listen carefully. 10. I repeat after native speakers. 11. I read English every day. 12. I write simple sentences daily. 13. I learn new words regularly. 14. I use a dictionary. 15. I watch English videos. 16. I enjoy learning English. 17. English is an international language. 18. It helps me grow. 19. It builds my confidence. 20. I practice speaking in front of a mirror. 21. I speak slowly and clearly. 22. I focus on pronunciation. 23. I try to think in English. 24. I make small conversations. 25. I ask simple questions. 26. I answer politely. 27. I greet people warmly. 28. I say thank you often. 29. I smile while speaking. 30. I stay positive. 31. I wake up early. 32. I plan my day. 33. I set small goals. 34. I work hard. 35. I stay disciplined. 36. I manage my time well. 37. I respect others. 38. I help my family. 39. I drink enough water. 40. I eat healthy food. 41. I go for a walk. 42. I exercise daily. 43. I read books. 44. I watch the news. 45. I learn from my mistakes. 46. I never give up. 47. I keep trying. 48. I stay motivated. 49. I believe in hard work. 50. I trust the process. 51. I speak English at home. 52. I practice with my friends. 53. I record my voice. 54. I check my pronunciation. 55. I improve step by step. 56. I enjoy small progress. 57. I stay patient. 58. I stay focused. 59. I avoid distractions. 60. I use my time wisely. 61. I respect my teachers. 62. I learn from everyone. 63. I read aloud daily. 64. I tutorial my errors. 65. I stay calm. 66. I stay confident. 67. I believe I can do it. 68. I face challenges bravely. 69. I stay strong. 70. I dream big. 71. I work towards my goals. 72. I keep learning new skills. 73. I speak without fear. 74. I improve my vocabulary. 75. I practice grammar rules. 76. I ask for feedback. 77. I accept corrections. 78. I speak naturally. 79. I try again if I fail. 80. I celebrate small wins. 81. I am proud of myself. 82. I enjoy the journey. 83. I stay grateful. 84. I help others learn. 85. I share my knowledge. 86. I inspire people. 87. I stay humble. 88. I stay kind. 89. I stay honest. 90. I stay consistent. 91. I am becoming better every day. 92. I believe in continuous learning. 93. I will achieve my goals. 94. I will speak fluent English. 95. I will never stop learning. 96. I am confident about my future. 97. I am building my skills. 98. I am ready for success. 99. I am thankful for this opportunity. 100. This is day 8 of my English journey.